Hello again, and welcome to our next Arbiter training video. In this module, you will learn how to do some simple manipulations to your active layers. We'll show you how to remove a layer, how to add a new layer, and how to affect the visibility of a layer. Okay, let's get started. Open Arbiter by selecting its icon from the device's apps page. Arbiter opens up, and we're taken to our work zone with our active layers. In the previous module, we deleted a line feature. Let's suppose that we're no longer doing field work with that layer and want to remove it and add a different layer. Making these changes, however, will require that you be connected to your data server. Check the sync icon and confirm that it's green, meaning the connectivity is good. Okay, we're connected. Now let's touch the layers icon. Arbiter opens the layers panel showing our current active layers. Let's remove the line layer first. Touch the trash can icon to the right of the layer name. A warning message appears asking us to confirm the delete. It's important to know that you're not deleting data from your server. You're only removing the layer from being active. The layer and its data still reside on the server. The warning message is reminding you that any unsynced changes will be lost. If you've made edits to features in this layer and have not synced the data, then you should select Cancel here, run sync, then remove the layer. We'll go ahead and select Delete from the prompt. Arbiter returns to the layers list, and notice that now the line layer is no longer active. Next, let's add a new layer to be active. Select the Add icon here at the top. Arbiter searches and displays a list of layers located there. To add a new layer, we simply touch on the layer name. But this time, let's suppose that the new layer we want to add is located on a different server. If we touch this down arrow here beside the server name, Arbiter displays a list of known servers in the pull-down. So far, we have only the one server defined. We want to add a new server. To do this, select the Add button. Arbiter takes us to the Add Server panel. Next, fill in the information about this new server, just as we did in our project setup operation done in Training Module 2. We're going to jump ahead to the end to save time. Make sure to give this server a unique name, the correct URL with the /geoserver and the /wms at the end, and appropriate login information. Select OK to continue. Arbiter connects to this server, then opens with a list of layers that are stored there. We scroll through the list and select a layer. Then touch OK to continue. Arbiter shows a list of the active layers again, and here's the new one we just added. Also notice just below the layer name is the name of the server. This lets you know where the data associated with that layer is stored. Okay, let's go back to our map now. Next, let's add a new feature to this new layer. Select the pencil icon, then select the new layer. Touch the screen where the feature is to go, select Done, and the attribute table opens. Fill in the information, then select Save. Let's go back to the map, and our new feature is added. Next, let's look at how we can control the visibility of our layers. Again, select the Layers icon. Notice that beside each layer name is a button that says On. Touch this button beside the new layer we just added. Now it reads Off. Let's go back to our map and notice that now the layer is not visible. This tool is helpful if you have a congested area and don't intend to work with a particular layer for a period of time, but you don't want to remove it because you intend to use it soon. To bring the features back to view, select the Layers icon and touch the Off button. Now it reads on. Go back to the map, and the feature is visible again. Update these changes back to the server by running the sync operation. In our example here, we have layers on more than one server. Sync updates the layers to the appropriate server. There. We're finished for now. Okay, that's all we'll do in this module. You learned how to manipulate your layers by removing a layer, by adding a new one, along with how to add a new server, and we learned how to control the visibility of features of a layer. Let's go ahead and close down Arbiter and get ready for our next training module. See you there.